How we doing out there, everybody? So this week we have two things we want to concentrate on. One thing is submitting a revised version of your argumentative persuasive essay. So you'll recall last week we had a discussion forum where you kind of reflected on what you do well and what you need to improve on when it comes to essay writing. So this week you get an opportunity to apply that to your argumentative persuasive essay. Okay, that essay is worth more than the first essay, the narrative. So, and I think it's worth the same amount as the descriptive essay. So, looking through the comments that were made, and any other questions you guys might have, you could email me this week, and I'll talk to you about your argumentative persuasive, the one with no research. That's the one where looking at revising and editing. More on the MLA research paper in a second. So make sure, guys, that you turn that in by the end of the week, by Sunday. Again, you're looking at your original argumentative persuasive essay, looking at the comments that were made. And what I'll basically do is give you half credit back, averaging your original score and the new score, which is hopefully 100. So you get credit for doing the argumentative persuasive redo. That's a classwork homework grade. And then I'm going to take that redone average, which we hope is 100 if you make all the requested changes, and average that together with your original submission. And again, if that's 100 for your resubmission for that assignment, that should pull up your original essay score to, half credit returned. So that's due by Sunday. The other thing we have this week is a discussion forum, also due by Sunday. Usually discussion forums are due by Friday. But for this one, we now want to look at our MLA research essay. Now, the grades have not come back for that yet. I'm actually going to extend that because some of us still haven't turned it in. I'm going to extend the due date for that MLA research essay, which is a big portion of your grade. Look at your syllabus. It's a significant portion of your overall grade. So what we get to do this week is we're going to swap our MLA research essays with a peer buddy, another member of the class. I've given everyone's name in the discussion forum. You could pick a partner. I'm assuming you guys, see each other regularly on campus at the high school. So I would pick a peer buddy from the list. If you need to know someone's, email or anything like that, that shouldn't matter because you have a discussion forum. I would just go in there and say, hey, I want to swap with Trevor, or I want to swap with Haley, or I want to swap with Michael, whoever it is. So go ahead and figure out who you want to swap your paper with, your MLA research essay. You're going to read your peer buddy's research essay, and I've given you the rubric that I use when I grade your essay. You're reading your partner's essay, looking at the rubric that is in the discussion forum, and giving your partner an honest grade out of 100 based on each of the 4 rubric categories. Content, that's, basically, are we writing an MLA research essay on a social cause topic? Are we backing it up with research in text citations throughout the essay? The next one is structure, organization. Does each of your paragraphs explain your thesis? Do we have supporting details that accurately advance your thesis statement using your research, using your own insights? Each paragraph should begin with a transition. The paragraph should interconnect with each other and flow naturally with each other. And the next one is style and language. So that rubric category deals with your style of writing. It's also heavily focused on punctuation, grammar, capitalization, all that stuff. The stuff that tends to bite some of us from time to time. And then finally, the format category is your MLA format. So do we have an MLA heading at the upper left-hand corner? The heading is your name, my name, the course, and the date. The date is the number of the date, the month, and then the year. Upper right-hand corner is your last name and the corresponding page number. Centered on the first page is your original title. We have 12-point Times New Roman font, and we are double spacing. Our works cited page is correctly formatted in alphabetical order with hanging indents. I know Word and Google Docs has a citation feature, but you could also use easybib.com or MLA Citation Generator. Purdue OWL uses that MLA Citation Generator feature if you guys want to use that. And those citation format sites help you format correctly for your works cited page. So if you haven't done your MLA research essay, there's still time to do it, but this week you get to swap with a partner, okay? And your partner is giving you a rubric score out of 100. Look at the discussion forum assignment particulars. Basically, you're engaging with your partner, giving them feedback, areas for improvement, things that you think that they do well, and you're giving them that rubric score out of 100. So that's what I'm going to be looking for in that discussion forum, that you're, having an honest, thorough conversation with your peer buddy. So that too is due Sunday. So again, 2 things due Sunday. You yourself are going to look at your no research argumentative persuasive essay, look at my comments, see how you can improve. Even if you have 100 on it because you were given bonus points from the third blog, still submit it. Still submit with, my comments rectified, making the corrections. Because it is a homework assignment, turning in that turning in that no research argumentative persuasive essay, revised, edited, proofread. And then in addition, we have the MLA research essay. But for that one, again, you're swapping with a partner. Partner reads it, you read partner's feedback, rubric score, and then you have an opportunity to resubmit that MLA essay version of your argumentative persuasive essay. That is due Sunday. So basically what we're doing is we're extending the due date for the MLA research essay, which was due last week, to let folks who haven't turned it in, there's a handful of you, not only to turn it in, but for everyone to have an opportunity to talk to each other and figure out how we could improve, and you could resubmit your essay. For that assignment, I think I have the submissions capped at 3 submissions. So if you've submitted it once or twice, you have another submission opportunity. What I might even do, I might even turn it on to allow unlimited submissions in case some of you guys have already, submitted it a few times. So we'll probably do that to let you guys have more submission opportunities there. So again, 2 things due: argumentative persuasive essay, your original no research essay. You look at it based on my comments, you clean it up, you turn that into the spot in week 14, and then your MLA research essay. Haven't turned it in, that's okay. I'm going to wait another week for you guys to get that in. And this week, everybody gets the chance to look at a partner's, give honest feedback, and a rubric score. At the close of this week, that's when I will look at those MLA research essays. Okay, so to give us another opportunity to improve, or if some of us haven't even turned it in, to turn it in. Okay, so both of those assignments due by Sunday. Of course, next week is, the week after this week is Thanksgiving. So, of course, we'll observe that. So let's have a good productive week before that Thanksgiving break. And any questions, guys, you need any clarification or help, email me and I will answer whatever you need answered. Okay, so I think that's going to wrap it up for us this week, folks. Keep up the good work, and I will see you again in a couple weeks with another video. All right, peace. Catch you later.